Welcome to the Focused Life YouTube channel. Stay connected to improve your focus. Overthinking often feels like a productive activity, but it's actually draining your mental battery. It's a nervous system issue, not just a mental one, impacting focus and energy. While your mind loops endlessly, your focus drops, energy fades, and memory quietly shuts down. This harsh reality shows overthinking damages productivity, not aids it. A quick mindfulness reset technique can instantly help you break the loop of stress, racing thoughts, panic, and emotional overwhelm. Just 60 seconds can make a difference. Science-backed strategies offer instant mental relief from overthinking. From quick stillness to intentional breathing, simple techniques can act as a powerful mental disruption. The first step is awareness. Notice when your thoughts feel caught in a coercive cycle, repeating without clarity. Acknowledge the loop to begin slowing it down. Simply acknowledging that you are in an overthinking loop can often slow it down or even stop it altogether. This name it to tame it approach empowers you. Writing down your thoughts brings them into the light, creating distance and giving you restored control. This simple act helps realize thoughts are often smaller than felt. Overthinking blurs what you can and can't control. Identify and refocus on the controllable, like making a call or setting boundaries, to lower overthinking. Many spirals begin with decision fatigue. Set time boundaries for making choices. This action alone significantly helps in lowering overthinking by giving certainty. A truly simple habit. 60 seconds of intentional stillness can disrupt the overthinking spiral. This small anchor helps regain clarity and reset your mind. These rapid methods disrupt runaway thoughts by engaging your awareness in a new direction. This interrupts the negative patterns, providing immediate relief from overwhelm. Overthinking is a nervous system issue. These 60-second resets work by signaling safety to your brain, calming the stress response, and reducing anxiety naturally. A simple breathing technique is a quick nervous system reset. It calms racing thoughts and reduces stress naturally, often within 60 seconds of focused practice. These techniques instantly break cycles of stress, racing thoughts, panic, and emotional overwhelm, providing an immediate sense of mental clarity and calm. The 60-second resets are incredibly effective at interrupting panic attacks and overwhelming emotions. They serve as a quick anchor when your mind spirals. By quieting the mental noise, these quick resets significantly improve your focus and energy levels. You reclaim mental resources lost to unproductive thought. When your mind isn't looping, your memory can function optimally. These resets help solidify new information and retrieve existing memories more easily. While individual 60-second resets offer immediate relief, consistent practice of these simple tools builds resilience. They make your new mental state more robust. With regular use, these quick resets become a default mental habit. Your brain learns to recognize and interrupt overthinking patterns automatically. You regain control over your mental state, reducing rumination and improving your overall well-being. The reins of your mind are firmly back in your hands. With a calmer mind and improved focus, your productivity soars. You tackle tasks efficiently without the drag of incessant worrying and replaying decisions. Overthinking often leads to sleepless nights. By calming your mind, these 60-second resets can significantly improve your sleep quality, promoting deeper rest. Regularly calming your nervous system trains it to have a reduced stress response overall. This means less reactivity to daily challenges and a more even keel. A clear, calm mind is better at solving problems. With less mental clutter, you approach challenges with greater creativity and efficiency, finding solutions faster. When you're less consumed by overthinking, you're more present for others. This fosters stronger connections and more meaningful interactions in your relationships. These quick resets boost your ability to regulate emotions. You become more adept at handling emotional triggers without being swept away by intense feelings. With a clearer mind, decisions become easier and more confident. You avoid analysis paralysis, making choices promptly and with conviction, knowing your actions are intentional. Ultimately, destroying overthinking in 60 seconds contributes to a profound shift in your overall well-being. It's a small change with monumental impact on your daily life. Experience the immediate benefits and embark on a journey towards a calmer, more focused you. Your 60-second mental reset awaits. Take the first step today. If you found these 60-second hacks helpful, subscribe for more content on managing your mind and enhancing your well-being. Don't miss out on 6 on future insights. Share this video with someone who needs a 60-second reset in their life. Comment below with your favorite quick mental hack.